Welcome to the Madhyanchal Professional University, where knowledge and innovation comes together. Today, we are exploring pharmacy department. Our pharmacy department offers an immersive learning experience, combining rigorous academic programs with hands-on practical training. From day one, students have access to modern laboratories and equipment, preparing them to excel in pharmaceutical industry.
Here at MPU, we not only focuses on theoretical skills, but also on practical knowledge, which makes our student compatible in the industrial scenario. Our curriculum is so designed that it generally caters the students' demand and industrial demands also.
The pharmacy department offers various courses, including B Pharma and M Pharma, with opportunities to engage in cutting-edge research. Whether it's working on groundbreaking drug development or advancing public health, our students are making an impact. So what are you waiting for? Join MPU's pharmacy department and be part of a community dedicated to shaping the future of healthcare. Apply now to secure your future.